Huawei Nova 5T is a smartphone that will easily turn heads. With its beautiful and modern design, it's really easy to see why anyone would want to have such a phone in their hands. But at 41,000 Kenyan shillings, should you really? My name is Saruni Maina, and this is our hands-on impressions of the Huawei Nova 5T. First things first, let's get through the specs. The display comes in at 5.56 inches with a full HD resolution and a punch hole display. The other things that matter include 8GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage, and a well-sized 3750 mAh battery that should definitely last through the day without any issues. And if it doesn't, Huawei claims that the Nova 5T can charge up to 50% in 30 minutes. Oh, those who care, the processor is an octa-core Kirin 980, and for those who really don't care, what this means is that the phone is relatively fast and will not have any hanging issues. The software is also upgradable to Android 10, so keep that in mind. Those are the basics, but why exactly would anyone buy this phone? Well, for that back, the Nova 5T comes in three colors: black, crush blue, and midsummer purple. They are all so shiny and admirable, but the one I like is the midsummer purple. The little inscribed Nova text, the flares that appear when light hits it at different angles, it's all so beautiful. The coolness factor doesn't end there. The hole on the display and the colors just add on to that. There is also a side-mounted fingerprint scanner that should make it easy and fast to unlock your phone. Moving on to the cameras. The Nova 5T has a total of 5 cameras, 4 on the back and 1 on the front. The back cameras include a 48-megapixel lens, a 16-megapixel wide-angle lens, and two 2-megapixel lenses for depth sensing and macro shots. The front camera is a 32-megapixel shooter. The output seems fine, nothing to throw a party about. Definitely will be good enough for sharing on social media and it will make you happy. But then again, there is no headphone jack, and at that price point, this is quite a big deal. Speaking of price, 41,000 Kenyan shillings seems quite a lot. Would I buy it? Well, subscribe and share, and maybe I will tell you next time. This is Gadgets Africa. Kwaheri.